Hello class, in our last session we have seen the introduction of graphite, that is the second electrode of carbon. Today we are going to see occurrence, that means where you can find graphite. Graphite is mined in Jharkhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Odisha, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh. Other than in India, it is found in China, Brazil and Canada. So here we can find graphite. Now we'll see the properties of graphite. First is appearance. Graphite is a grayish black, opaque solid and it has a metallic luster. Nature, it is soft and slippery to touch. That means it is very soft and when you touch it you'll find it slippery. Graphite has a density. Graphite has a density of 2.2 gram per centimeter cube, which is lower than that of diamond. Number 4 is electrical and thermal conductivity. We know that diamond is a bad conductor of heat and electricity, but over here graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Melting point, it has a melting point of around very high, that is 3700 degrees Celsius. What will happen on the application of heat to graphite? So when ignited in air at 700 degrees Celsius, graphite produces carbon dioxide. That means carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Fine. Next is chemical reactivity. Graphite is insoluble in most solvent. That means it does not dissolve in solvent. Chemically it is slightly more active, more reactive than diamond. So as we know, diamond is inert, but compared to diamond it is slightly more reactive. It can be converted into diamond at a very high temperature and pressure. So graphite can also be converted into diamond at a very high temperature and pressure. Now we'll see what are the uses of graphite, where you can find the uses of graphite. The first one is it is used in making the lead of pencils that we use. Since graphite is soft and leaves a black mark on paper, because of its property, since it is soft and can leave a mark on a paper, it is used to make pencil lead which contains graphite mixed with clay. That is the first use. Second is it is used in the manufacture of electrodes. Being a good conductor of electricity, graphite is used for making electrodes for dry cells and electric arcs. Electrode means it is a rod which is present in an electric cell, we can say batteries and all, through which current flows. So it is used for making electrodes. Next is it is used in the manufacture of crucible. Crucible, it is used in the manufacture of crucible. Graphite is a good conductor of heat. It is resistant to chemicals and is a very high melting point. Hence it is used to make crucibles. That means crucibles is this one, for conducting high temperature chemical reactions and melting substances. So in this we can carry out a chemical reaction which takes place at a very high temperature and to melt the substance. Next is it is used as a lubricant. Since graphite is soft and slippery, it is used in lubricant in machinery. Now today's assignment is the first assignment for your 4th card test is question number 1, what is a graphite? Question number 2, where are graphite found? Question number 3, what happens when graphite is ignited in air? 4, write few properties of graphite. And the last question is mention 3 uses of graphite. So complete your assignment and send it to my mail.